The current state of AI avatars is the worst it will ever be. Every capability you'll learn in this course gets cheaper, faster, and more realistic in the next 12 to 24 months. This lesson covers the trajectory, what's coming, and how to position now to ride the next wave instead of getting left behind. Real-time AI avatars. Today, HeyGen requires 2 to 10 minutes of rendering per video. Tomorrow, avatars that respond in real time, on live streams, in video calls. HeyGen, DID, Soul Machines, and several others have already launched real-time avatar tools. The quality is rough, but improving fast. Within 12 to 18 months, expect real-time avatars on Zoom and Google Meet, live streaming avatars on YouTube Live, TikTok Live, Twitch, avatar-to-avatar interviews, AI hosts, AI guests, real-time conversational avatars on websites for sales and support. Key point: if you've built an avatar and a voice clone today, you're already ready for real-time. The same source assets feed real-time tools. Operators who delay until the tech is better will be 12 months behind operators who started now. Interactive AI agents. Beyond presentation, avatars become conversational. The shift. Today, avatar reads pre-written script. Soon, avatar talks with users, answers questions, holds conversations. The technology stack. ChatGPT or Claude for the brain, 11 Labs for the voice, real-time avatar engine for the face. Everything exists. It just needs polishing and packaging. Use cases this enables: always-on customer service avatars on your sales pages, office hours with your avatar that any subscriber can join, onboarding agents that guide new buyers through your product, sales reps that qualify leads, 24/7 AI live streaming. The first AI-only live stream creators are already operating on TikTok Live and YouTube Live. The model: avatar runs 24/7 on a continuous live stream, connected to a script bank that rotates topics, real-time chat moderation by AI, tips and gifts from viewers. Monetize the stream. This is on the edge of platform policies. TikTok specifically has been pushing back on AI-only streams. But the trajectory is clear. Within 18 months, AI live streams become a normal content category. AI customer support. Beyond influence, AI avatars are eating the customer service category. SaaS companies replacing chat agents with avatar-led support, real estate companies running 24/7 property tour avatars, e-commerce stores adding shopping assistant avatars. For AI influencer operators, this is a parallel revenue path. The same skills that build a content avatar build a B2B service avatar, and businesses pay 10x more than affiliate commissions for solid implementations. Personalized AI sales reps. The next level shift. Every sales conversation is led by an AI avatar trained on your specific product, brand, and offer. Imagine, a buyer hits your sales page. An avatar pops up. "Hey, I'm Maya. Got 2 minutes? Let me show you the part of this that matters most for someone in your situation." The avatar conducts a real conversation, customized to the buyer's responses. The conversion rate is 3 to 5x higher than a static sales page. Tools building toward this: Tavis, HeyGen, Interactive Avatars, Synthesia Express, Retail AI. None are perfect today. All will be by late 2026. The skills that compound. Every skill in this course transfers to the next wave. The operator who has a trained avatar identity, a cloned voice, an audience and email list, a library of scripts and content patterns, an automation pipeline, is positioned to deploy real-time avatars, interactive agents, live streams, and sales reps the moment those tools mature. None of them require starting over. Pro tip: the advice that ages well: build the avatar now, even if it's only 70% of what you wish it were. Refine while running. The operators winning in 2027 are the ones who started in 2025-2026, not the ones still waiting for the tech to be ready. What will not change? Some fundamentals stay the same regardless of how the tech evolves. Niche selection. Picking a real audience with real money still matters. Persona design. Characters need clear identity and voice. Hook writing. Humans still scroll past boring openings, trust building, consistency, honesty, and value. Drive long-term audiences, funnel design, capture, nurture, sell. The structure doesn't change. The technology is the easy part. The marketing fundamentals are forever. Final action step. Pick one prediction in this lesson that excites you most. Build a 90-day plan to position for it. The next major opportunity won't be obvious in retrospect, but the operators who placed early bets will own it.